The article looking ahead takes a look at some of the different sciences and technologies and whether they'll be able to successfully address the various challenges that humans will face in both the near and the distant future. It primarily focuses on the work of Martin Rees titled On the Future Prospects for Humanity and goes through a couple of different case examples of whether technology will or will not be able to completely replace the roles of humans and the like in the near future. So the first topic that the author discusses is autonomous cars, and he goes through the fact that in the past there were much fewer automobiles on roads, but there were a lot more accidents. However, these days fatalities and accidents in general have decreased even though there are more cars. And he attributes this to the fact that technology has changed and improved and has led to better safety mechanisms. Now, he wonders whether this can be extrapolated into the future and comes to the conclusion that no, it really cannot be completely due to autonomous cars because he did a study and realized that in order for robots and computers to be able to make as nuanced and unique decisions as humans, the amount of power to power them would be more than the amount of power used to actually power the car. So this is a pretty unique take, one that we don't usually expect, but it was interesting nonetheless. The second topic the author talked about was climate change, and he came to the conclusion that with more accurate scientific modeling in the future, we'll have a better understanding of exactly what our climate is going to look like. And as a result, we'll be able to use geoengineering or the idea of large-scale global climate change prevention techniques to better mitigate the effects of climate change. The final topic that the author talks about is space exploration, and he realizes that, or he comes to the conclusion that yes, it's possible for humans to emigrate or move from Earth to different planets, but doing so will likely be pretty tough because it requires a better climate somewhere else. And the reality is that climates of other planets are worse than even living at the top of Mount Everest. So this is a pretty unique perspective from the author, and it'll be interesting to see whether what he says ends up coming true in the near future.